You don't know any millennials with $600,000 saved except for, hi, my name is Danielle and I have that. Before you say, oh, I'm privileged, etc., I want you to know that I went into the field of social work. I didn't study business. I've hardly ever made over 6 figures in my career. In fact, I think there's only 1 year I made 6 figures because I've gone on maternity leave twice. And before you say, oh, you're from the Bay Area, yeah, my dad was an electrician. My mom worked odd jobs. I had to pay for my college. I was in debt. I just paid it off like a year and a half ago. My parents went bankrupt twice in my lifetime. We were homeless when I was 16, and that's when I decided to move out. I sponsored my husband here. He has never made more money than me. So I'm not saying everyone can save the amount of money I have, but I'm also saying that an average person like myself making an average or below average salary was able to do it. And I'm a millennial. What happened was, like 8 years ago, I discovered the FIRE movement and I aggressively saved my money. And I lived below my means. When I had kids, I didn't upgrade my car. I didn't upgrade my house. We've been living in 700 square feet as a family of 4. Saving this amount of money has not been painless. But it's been worth it to be financially free. And pretty soon I'm going to be cashing in. We're going to be moving to another state. We're going to have a house with a yard, and maybe even I'll get a bigger car. So hi, now you know a millennial who does have over $600,000 saved.